Get on. Where's us two? Look. It's in Michael's base, in Michael's mount up there. Bloody hell. It's looking a bit windy out there, isn't it? What? Yeah. Look at those waves out there. Is that someone's out there doing one of those windsurfing things? Oh, blimey, he must have had his pasties. This one always got blue bread sail. Bloody hell. Yeah. It's bloody freezing out there. Windy too. Oh, look, he's trying to get on, isn't he? Do you think he'll be able to get on? Oh, he's managed it. Off he goes. Didn't have to see he is. Hope he's going to be alright out there. You think the lifeboat knows they're doing this? What? Yeah, well I think too. Oh, look at him go. Look at him go. Going over those waves he is. Oh, watch out now, boy. Oh, look at him go. He flew up in the air there, didn't he? Oh, he's down now, he's down. Oh, is he going to be alright? Best he comes back in, I think. That's a good lad. Come on, come back in. Get yourself a pasty. I think you deserve one. Yeah, here he comes now. He's going to come in. Look at those waves in the back there. Bloody huge they are. You catch me out there. Oh, blimey. What's he doing now? Messing around. Come on, boy, get yourself in. Oh, on now. Who's this fella out here? Oh, look at him go. Oh, God, did I loop the loop or something there? He's on his way back in. Oh, nice green sail he's got there. I do like that sail. Yeah. Is that what it is? Sail? That's what they call them, isn't it? It's like a windsurfer sail. Quite the blue and the red again. What's he doing? Surfing that way if he is surfing it. Oh, he's going that way. He's going up that way now. He's going up that way. Oh, now he's going that way. What's he doing? Oh, he was sliding around there. Oh, I guess I've got a nice sail again. Up he goes. Oh, loop, loop. Get on, they're way out there now, aren't they, boys? Oh, boys have themselves a pasty or two. Loop the loop there again. Oh, you see loop the loop. It's only that one. Alright. I'll do another loop the loop now. Look, there we go. Loop now, loop. Oh, loop the loop. Blue sail on the way in again now, I do. Oh, he's got a big wave behind him, yes, big wave. Get on there, my son, get on. Handsome job, handsome. Goes sliding around. Oh. Loop the loop. Oh, I think he's doing it on purpose, but you can't tell. Bloody hell. I'm glad I'm sitting out here in this car. Oh, it's nice and warm. I'll be out there. Bloody freezing. Windy as well it is. I'm surprised they can hold those sails up. Oh, got a wind on it. Oh, there we go. Oh, did it get sliding around. Oh, another loop. I wonder if he's got a storm's got a name of it. Storm Joe. Storm something. Stormy weather, that's what it is. Storm. Storm. Birds flying around, birds flying. There's another one there, look, see? Look at that bird go. Goes flying around. You know, do you see him behind those waves? There he is. There he goes again. Yeah, on. Alright, you can be quiet over there. That bird flying backwards he is. That boy coming in there. Flying along he is. Oh, you just be quiet over there. What's going on? Well, that was Marazine on a windy day. Get on, get your pasties. Good night.